One of the common findings that we find with Database Health Monitor is that it catches failed jobs. Now, what failed jobs is referring to is SQL Server agent jobs that are failing regularly or failing once in a while. Why is this a problem? Well, if you have jobs that are running as SQL Server agent tasks, it means they're running on a schedule on some regular interval. And if they're failing and you don't have notification or you don't have alerts to tell you that they're failing, there may be some work that's needing to be done that isn't succeeding correctly. So for instance, take your backup jobs or your CheckDB jobs. If those are failing and you don't know about it, it could mean that you have corruption in your database, or it could mean that your backups are not succeeding. Now, part of the problem with SQL Server agent jobs is that by default, you set them up and there's nothing that just regularly notifies you. So what you do to fix this is you go in and set up an operator, which is just an email alias using database mail, to send alerts when those jobs fail. And you should be alerting any time that any SQL Server agent job fails so that you can do something to go fix it. I've seen too many times with database corruption where somebody had CheckDB, or I should say they thought they had CheckDB running regularly, but something wasn't set up on the job correctly and it hadn't been running for months, and they came across corruption and they didn't know about it for several months before it became really catastrophic. So getting notification on failed jobs is important. And sometimes people say, well, what happens if I have this job that I know always fails? Well, you can go in and modify that job step to say on success or on failure, still report that the job succeeded. And that might be okay in certain cases, but you want to know when things failed so you can go and fix them and deal with them.
Thanks for watching. I'm Steve, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please click the thumbs up icon. And if you want to subscribe, click subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified when we have new videos. All right, have a great day.